Okay, today I will be teaching you how to make a money tree. Yeah, plant a money tree. So let's do it. Okay. So actually already planted one. So let me just show it to you. Hang on. Let me just go to the spot I put it in. Go here. It's yeah. It still takes about like 4 days to grow. It takes like 4 days to grow. So it's still growing. So every this appears once a day. So yeah, you can only plant one money tree a day each day. So basically, so um you will see this sparkling shine. Well, this golden kind of sparkling thing in the ground. If you dig it up with your shovel, it will now become a sparkling hole. Now that will give you 1,000 bells. So you get that 1,000 bells and bury it into that sparkling hole, and then it's a money tree. But it still needs 3 days. I mean 4 days to grow. And yeah, I'll update you in 4 days.